Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make handmade beautiful Rakhi using only waste materials. So keep watching. First in cardboard I am making round shape with the help of compass. Then I will cut it. You can get your desired size. Then I will cut clothes in shape and will stick in the cardboard as you can see in the video. This year I will come with more Rakhi ideas in 3 parts. Photo attached Rakhi, clay made special Rakhi for children's and today's video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Here I am showing 3 Rakhi making videos. Otherwise video will be too long. And in last I will show more handmade Rakhi of mine so you can get ideas and make it. So don't skip the video. For better support, I am cutting chart paper in round shape and stick it on back. After that, I am taking woolen thread and few motifs as you can see in the video and will detailing the band. For motifs, here I am using my childhood necklace. You can simply buy this from market. Now after done the process, I will stick it on back with the help of Fevicol. Here I am trying to detailing the woolen thread for better looking. The same way I made all the Rakhis. Now the main part will decorate my Rakhis. Keep watching. For first Rakhi I am using acrylic color and will write. You can write anything such as person name or brother. I am a Bengali girl so I am writing in Bengali. Here I am writing brother. Then I am using few rice grain to decorate the Rakhi. Here my first Rakhi design is ready. Now the second one. Here my first Rakhi design is ready. Now the second one. Here I cut the ice cream sticks first and last part and sticking in line. Keep watching. Now on middle I cut glittery paper in round shape and stick it. Then with the help of acrylic color I am writing Bhai in Bengali. It means younger brother in English. And by using dotting tools, putting some golden dots with golden acrylic color. Now the second Rakhi design is ready. Now for the third one. Here also I am using same ice cream sticks part, but here I am sticking like flower petals. Keep watching. Now in middle I am sticking one moti and the Rakhi design is ready. In the last part of video I will show you more Rakhi designs, so keep watching. Oh no, wait, I did attach one more flower motif Rakhi design video. Keep watching. Here I take cardboard and cut in a petal shape. Now using masking tape and cover it. Now I am applying color to cover the masking tape. You can use any dark color. Now I have this designer fabric and I will cut this in a petal shape and stick in the cardboard shaped petals. Now sticking all the petals together and in middle stick one round shape moti. Then using woolen thread and motis detailing for band. And here it is done. See, here my all Rakhi designs are ready. Hope you like these designs. Is not it too easy and beautiful? Tell me in the comment section if you like my designs, and do like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel because more amazing Rakhi videos are on the way. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.